How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396. It's clean, all original panel car. Very slick. Factory Granada Gold. It's all the grill. Bumper's been re-chromed. Headlight bezels and fender eyebrows look to be originals and excellent condition. It's got new hood louvers. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice set of Rev Classics on it, 17-inch. It's all the tail panel moldings and tail light bezels, all in really nice condition. Rear bumpers been re-chromed. All the panel fitment's real nice on this car. Tell you just don't see many of them done in the Granada Gold. Good looking car, the black interior and the gray wheels. Well, this is a clone, but it does have a 396 in it. It's got your power disc brakes, got power steering, aluminum radiator. It's all nicely detailed. All the jams are real nice. The interior is very nice. A lot of it's all been redone. It's got the factory gauge dash in it. Headliner's real nice and tight. Got all the front and rear seat belts. It's a cool car. Spare tire and everything. Trunk floor is all real nice. Original trunk floor in it. Like I say, it's original panels on this car. It's real clean, solid car. Originally came from out west. Got 12 bolt posi. It's got 400 turbo trans. AM/FM cassette stereo in it. Got the original center console and correct shifter. It's got a nice mild built 396 in it. Thing fires right up. Got a nice cam. Good looking car right there. Paintwork is just flat, slick. Duals all the way out the back with the flow masters, front and rear sway bars. Got the LED tail lights. The backup lights aren't working right now. Take a look at that. Good sounding car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Quite a bit of traffic here this afternoon. Have a great day, folks.